The most asked question in crypto is, which exchange is really better, Gemini or Coinbase? For a long time, these two have been the twin towers of US-based crypto trading. They're both regulated, they both offer a clean interface, and they've both been pioneers in the space. But better depends entirely on you. Let's break down the three key areas where they differ, starting with the beginner experience. If you're just starting out, Coinbase is your go-to. It's designed to be incredibly simple, a clean, intuitive app that holds your hand through your first crypto purchase. They also offer a ton more coins, over 200, compared to Gemini's more curated selection of around 70 to 150. Plus, with features like Coinbase Learn, you can actually earn a small amount of crypto just for watching educational videos. However, once you move past the basics, the landscape shifts. For the more experienced or active trader, Gemini starts to pull ahead, largely because of its professional trading platform, ActiveTrader. This is where you get advanced charting tools, multiple order types, and most importantly, significantly lower fees. While both platforms charge high fees on their standard, simple buy-sell interfaces, Gemini's ActiveTrader platform offers maker-taker fees that are generally lower than what you'd find on Coinbase Advanced. So, if you plan to trade frequently and in higher volumes, Gemini can be the cheaper choice. Finally, let's talk security and trust, a major concern for everyone. Both exchanges have top-tier security measures, including strong cold storage and compliance with U.S. regulations. Gemini is often lauded as having a slight edge on security certifications, being the first to obtain key SOC certifications, and having a long-standing, clean security record against major hacks. However, it's worth noting the recent concerns around the now discontinued Gemini Earn program, which slightly dinged their reputation for trust, even though funds on the core Gemini exchange remain secure. Coinbase, as a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq and an S&P 500 listing, offers a different level of public transparency and scrutiny. So, here's the bottom line: Coinbase is better for the beginner who wants simplicity and coin selection. Gemini is better for the experienced, high-volume trader who prioritizes lower active trading fees and a strong compliance focus. Choose the one that matches your experience level and your trading frequency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.